Alright, so I'm practicing my cameraman skills for the trip tomorrow. Alright, so this is Ava. Hi, Ava. Alright, I'm doing chores right now to the sounds of Glee. All the way back. Glee. Alright, doing the dishes because, can you see that? I mean, look at that. It's mostly gone, but you get the point. And then I'm doing laundry over here. Alright, so, and then I'm going to do something else, but for the life of me, I cannot remember what it was. I don't know. So, this is my baby, Sammy. Hi, baby. That's your baby. Oh, hi, Ava. Hi. Want to say hi to the camera? Alright, so. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go now. Because I have to finish what I'm doing so that Muppet can come over later.
Katie? How's that laundry coming?
It's coming great, Mom.
What's the dishes?
Alright, bye-bye.